Welcome to today's Explainer. We're jumping right in, and today we're tackling a massive operational risk, one that's likely hiding in plain sight within your very own corporate data governance framework. We're talking about the hidden audit trap of information labeling. Now, don't worry, we're not going to get bogged down in stiff, boring compliance jargon today. Instead, we're focusing squarely on the actual operational pain of data handling and how a lack of simple, clear frameworks can literally derail your organization's entire security posture. Let's get into it. Okay, let's dive into this, because this is the visceral, everyday reality for so many organizations. Ask yourself, is your staff quietly abandoning your data security rules? On paper, management might declare all these strict mandates for protecting sensitive data, but down in the trenches, the daily friction of actually handling that data tells a completely different story. Think about it. If you leave employees to figure out data security completely on their own, making them navigate dense, boilerplate text without clear operational direction, well, they're almost always going to take the path of least resistance. So that brings us to Section 1, the manual tagging crisis. Let's take a look at what actually happens on the production floor. And this brilliantly illustrates the cascading operational pain that we see in the data. Look at Step 1. There are absolutely no visual templates provided to the staff, nothing to guide them, which leads to Step 2, no automated email or document labeling rules built into the systems. And Step 3, a complete, across-the-board manual tagging drop-off. I mean, when you force busy internal teams to rely on complex syntax or text-heavy policies just to figure out how to label a sensitive file, the friction is just way too high. Widespread confusion sets in, and honestly, employees just end up bypassing the rules entirely. Moving on to Section 2, the audit failure trap. This right here is the crushing consequence of that manual tagging crisis. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the stark contrast between what leadership expects to happen and what an auditor actually finds when they walk through the door. The expectation, of course, is this pristine environment of proper information labeling where data is neatly categorized based on business value and impact. But the reality? Well, auditors pull up files generated by internal teams and find highly confidential documents that are completely missing the required header and footer classification labels. It's a classic disconnect. And that gap, that huge gap between expectation and reality, leads exactly here to a definitive non-conformance. When internal teams generate confidential documents that completely lack those required classification labels, it signals a systemic failure in the timeless control of information labeling. It proves without a doubt that the policy exists on paper, sure, but the operational procedure is practically unusable by the actual staff. And let me tell you, this is the exact textbook scenario that triggers a failed assessment. Which leads us to Section 3, a timeless security posture. We really need to move away from these reactive panics and toward a dynamic, sustainable approach to compliance. To do that, we have to contrast the philosophies of outdated, rigid legacy standards against the dynamic demands of modern frameworks. You see, a truly mature information security management system doesn't obsess over specific publication years or granular clause digits. It is entirely timeless. The core focus absolutely must be on the enduring mandates of operational planning, the robust classification of information, and the flawless labeling of information. Obsolete standards relied on these massive, dense manuals that just sat gathering dust on a shelf. But the latest version of the standard? It demands living, highly usable guidelines that directly integrate right into your team's daily workflow. All right, Section 4, the expert template solution. Here is where we actually cure that operational friction, bringing some much-needed immense relief to both the compliance team and your frontline staff. Listen to this mandate from the ISO 2701 Institute. They say, elevate your data security, meticulously handled according to top industry standards. I love that phrasing. It completely validates the need for a highly structured, professionally drawn framework. Seriously, you cannot expect your operational teams to just invent a mature classification structure from scratch. They have day jobs. You really need a premium consulting approach to properly lock down your data governance. And that is exactly what this is, a premium 13-page, fully editable Microsoft Word template developed directly by the prestigious ISO 27001 Institute. It completely eliminates the ambiguity of data handling. Spanning 13 pages of incredibly clear, concise steps, this is a ready-to-use, done-for-you resource. It fundamentally transforms the way sensitive data is managed, ensuring your information is properly classified and accurately labeled without ever relying on your staff to just guess the rules.
Because look, this isn't just some basic off-the-shelf form you download randomly. It's a robust governance tool crafted by a committee of true industry experts. We're talking about something developed by principal auditors and lead instructors operating under the aegis of the ISO Training Institute. Having those kind of elite credentials baked right into your documentation means your classification and labeling procedures are automatically aligned with the exact expectations of the most rigorous auditors in the world.
Let's move to Section 5. Fast-track your ISMS maturity. And let's see how this builds. Because the real beauty of an expert-crafted template is the sheer velocity it brings to your deployment. The template is smartly designed with a hypothetical company name and logo, default placeholders like ABC Technologies Private Limited, and acronyms like ABCTPL. Transforming this world-class document into your organization's own bespoke policy is literally as simple as replacing those placeholders with your secure, custom brand and logo. It's a customization process that takes, maybe a couple of minutes, yet it fundamentally and permanently transforms how your organization governs its sensitive data.
So, the crucial point is this: 15 to 20. By dedicating just a few minutes to customize this expert template and committing to a sincere implementation of its contents, you aren't just checking some annoying compliance box. No, you are giving your organization an immediate 15 to 20-year head start in ISMS maturity. You get to completely bypass decades of trial and error, those awful manual tagging drop-offs, and painful audit non-conformances, instantly adopting a world-class posture. It's a total game changer.
Which leaves us with one final vital question to ponder. Are you ready to completely eliminate your audit risks and secure your elite ISMS maturity? Seriously, don't let a lack of clear visual templates and automated rules be the hidden trap that catches your organization in its next audit. You can find this highly authoritative template, bypass the whole manual tagging crisis, and instantly elevate your data security by heading directly over to ISO 27001.institute. Take control of your compliance today. Thanks so much for joining us for this explainer, and we'll catch you next time.